Now sometimes when you mix a solid and a liquid together, or two liquids together, they go through a chemical reaction. Now with a chemical reaction, you have two substances that you will mix together. I happen to have a liquid in this container and a solid inside this balloon. And when you mix these two substances together, you actually end up creating a new substance. In this case, my liquid and solid mixed together are creating a gas. And this is just one example of a chemical reaction. Now that you've seen our chemical reaction at work, let me show you how you can make one of your own at home. Now here I have set up materials to make a baking soda and vinegar volcano. To make this at home, you're going to need vinegar. We dyed ours just to make it a little more visible for the camera. Baking soda. Something paper-like to cut up to make a cone or the top of your volcano. I have a paper plate here, but you can use regular copy paper if you have it at home, or newspaper. Tape and scissors. The first thing you're going to need to do is put your baking soda into a small container that has an open top. Okay. Next, you're going to need to make a cone for your volcano. I found the easiest thing to do is to first cut out a circle. Okay. Once you have made a circle, you're actually going to cut about a quarter of it out. It should end up making your circle look like Pac-Man. And I'd recommend cutting a smaller Pac-Man shape out of the middle. That's going to be the opening of our volcano top. Then pull them together in a shape that will roughly fit just over the lip of your container. You're going to want to tape it. And then to make sure your lid stays on your volcano, I recommend taping it on. You don't need a lot of tape. 4 pieces should just be fine to secure your volcano lid onto your baking soda base. Now what I'm going to do next, now that I have my volcano set up, I'm going to be adding vinegar. Baking soda and vinegar is an acid-base reaction. The baking soda is a base. Those are substances that are on the more like soap, like dish soap or laundry detergent. And vinegar is an acid, kind of like the stuff in your juice. Now, I did forget to mention, one thing you're probably going to want to do to avoid making a big mess is to have a plate or a bowl or something underneath to catch any of our reactions so you don't make a huge mess. Now to start your reaction, you're going to take your vinegar and you're going to pour it into the top of your volcano. Keep pouring and pour continuously until the reaction comes up and out of the volcano. And there you have it, our baking soda vinegar volcanic reaction. Now if you try this at home, don't be discouraged if it doesn't look quite like this at first. It might take a couple tries to tape the sides down so you have a good eruption. But that is our baking soda and vinegar volcanic reaction. Try it out at home and good luck everybody. Bye!